Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to today review. We are seeing right now Ticket. What a great trade here, lots of volume, and let's see how this will close, if they are going to squeeze it some more. If you remember and if you are on the private channel, today I gave some long shares here, around $34, okay, between 34.5 and 34.6. And what a big move right now. They gone all the way into 39.59, going back into the 39, and what a big move. So if you are watching live right now and if you are holding position, it's wise to trim some profits here, raise the stops. And on a move above $40, we have been seeing that this is a fast mover. This is a very, very fast mover, okay? It's breaking out right now, and it can go all the way. If it goes above $40, okay, needs above $40, can go all the way into the $45, so can be a big, big move here. Let's see if it's going. We are watching this live. So trim some profits, raise the stops on the rest, keep riding the momentum while it holds. No one has a clue where this will stop. Can go all the way straight up, big short squeeze, can fall apart, but the volume right now it's holding very, very well. We are seeing some more buying pressure here, and you are watching this right now live. Lots of buying pressure here, pushing the stock for a big, big short squeeze. So above $40, we have around 45 possible target. If extends, watch out. We have been seeing this stock going all the way above $70, so who knows where this is going to stop. Always trim profits on the way, raise your stops. Eventually, if the stock pull back, your stops will get hit, but you keep your profits. So that way, you always secure your profits, and that's the perfect risk management in my opinion. So the stock is holding very, very well right now, and trying to break $40. $40 is a big, big level. Let's see if it's able to break. So we are going to come back to Ticket, but I would like to talk about some other trades that I made, especially for some traders that did not understood why the hell did I got Caterpillar puts early in the morning, and also triple cubes also puts early in the morning. Why the hell did I give puts on Uber? Why the hell I was extremely bearish in the right out of the gate? So let's try to review a little bit. So let's start with Caterpillar. Okay, Cat. Why the hell did I got puts? Looking for the charts and looking especially for the daily chart, it's right now it looks obvious. Okay, I believe the it looks pretty much obvious. Okay, but after the fact is a lot easier. The tricky part is to pull the trigger when we are early in the morning and we don't have a clue how the chart will go from there. We could have pulled back, faded, and filled the gap and pushed back above. Yep, that could have happened. Okay, and I would have to switch gears. I would have been stopped on the puts, but that did not happen. Okay, this time was very, very nice. So let's try to review here and why the hell did I got puts on Cat. First, it released earnings. Okay, it actually got pretty nice earnings. I'm not a fundamental guy that looks into the balance sheets and nothing like that. I prefer to watch for the charts, the options activity, and try to balance between those two, because once again, the company can release a big earnings report and they sell it. Okay, and that's exactly what happened here. One of the things that caught my attention is it was some in my opinion, it was something bearish. Okay, I didn't like the kind of comments that the CEO during the conference call. I didn't like, and I saw some fading after those comments. So I start thinking that maybe they would sell the open, but I didn't have any clue. Okay, because before the market opens, you don't have any clue how the hell the algos will act, how the investors and the traders will put their bets, if they are going to buy or if they are going to sell it. Okay, so it's very, very tricky. But when I saw that out of the gate, okay, so I started making my trading plan here, and the trading plan was pretty much simple. So I have here this trend line. Okay, this is a descending trend line. It's a resistance line. So once the stock went here, it pulled back, gone here, pull back, gone here, pull back. So you connect the dots. Okay, as simple as that. You connect the dots. You just need two dots to connect and make a trend line. Okay, so in this case we had three dots, trend line here. Okay, and not the third time is the charm. Okay, the fourth time is the charm. Okay, and we have right now and today the perfect, okay, the perfect hit the resistance line, and they sold it. So one of the first triggers was, okay, after the market open, we have a big sell candle here. So they sold basically the open. Okay, this is the intraday chart, this is the daily chart. So they sold it right at the resistance, gone all the way into 235, and they sold it, push back below, filling the gap. After that, what I start seeing, bearish options activity. So I immediately pushed the trigger, got far out of the money puts. And why the hell did I got those puts? Because they were cheap. Simple as that. It's worthless. Okay. It does not matter if you got puts 235, if you got puts 230, if you got puts 225 with me. It's that does not is irrelevant. Okay. What matters? The trend. Okay. I was betting for a downside first. Resistance, second bearish comments on the conference call, bearish options activity out of the gate, selling programs out of the gate. So I pulled the trigger. And what was my first target? Okay, so you have TCAT right now at $40. Okay, if you are looking for TKAT, you have $40 right now. Congratulations, everyone. We are coming that into a couple of minutes. So TCAT is above $40. Is squeezing back up. Congratulations. Stream profits on the way up. And we will go back into the couple of seconds for that. Okay. So back here in CAT. Caterpillar, the first target, and my first target, data moving average. Okay, simple. $230. It was the first level. Breaks below and goes back above. I believe I closed most of my position here, and I closed way too soon. Okay, those puts got in the money. It was puts 225, and they got into the money. Okay, but after that, and when I see that they were not able to recover, I gave on the private channel my next target. Okay, you have TKAT continues to skyrocket. Okay, don't forget to trim those profits on TKAT. Let's put here the chart just a little bit just to help you guys. Okay, TKAT right now $40 going all the way here. So trim profits on the way up, and we will come back in a couple of minutes. Okay, so go back into Caterpillar. When I saw that it was rejected, the move at $230 and push back below, I immediately look for the next target. Okay, and what I saw my trend line, my next support here on 222, and I saw a gap to fill 224.9. So I immediately jump into the room in the channel and said that the next target would be to fill the gap. Okay, selling pressure, lots of volume here. Okay, lots of volume, rejected at the 8-day moving average, push back below, makes new lows of the day, lower lows, lower highs. So the trend was down, selling pressure also on the market, with everyone on the cubes, SPY, small caps, Apple, Facebook, every single name was fading, so the path was lower, and it filled the gap pretty much. 223.2 got even lower. They usually on the moves, they trigger some stops, and they shake the tree very, very badly. Okay, and right here on this gap filling, I already had closed everything. I didn't run this one, but I made big profits. Okay, amazing. So I don't regret. Okay, once again, if you trade for a living, and I trade for a living, I try to generate cash flow on a daily basis, weekly basis. If you remember, early in the week on Monday, on AKAM, okay, AKAM, I got basically the money for the week. Okay, I started with Monday. Usually I hate Fed weeks. Okay, usually I hate Fed weeks, and I also hate the weeks on the big tech earnings. Okay, because market all over the place, waiting for the earnings, waiting for the Fed. No one has a clue if the market goes up, goes down. Usually on a range, and that's precisely what we saw on SPY last 3 days. With on Monday, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, before the Fed, very, very tight range, and keeping the price there very tight and not moving, waiting for the Fed, and they push the ball back up after the Fed statement at 2:30 p.m. Mr. Powell said that some assets were a bit too expensive, and the market pulled back and fades. So after earnings, after hours, we had Apple and Facebook skyrocket up. We had SPY and the cubes going into new all-time highs. So action all over the place. Okay, but we need to keep our head straight and trying to keep calm and keep looking for our targets. Okay, and that's exactly what I saw here. I saw an opportunity, I took it. It's gone way well, okay, way above my expectations. My first target was the 8-day moving average around $230, gone below, push back above. I already had closed everything on this move, and it still continued to ride lower, okay. So you could have the chance, if you got with the puts, you closed when I closed, and you could have jumped once again for more than from $230, for more $6-7 downside here on the put scalp. So congratulations everyone that got into the trade. Now what? Looking for the chart. Pretty much broken in my opinion. This candle pretty much ugly, but I'm out of the trade. Okay, I don't care. It can go up, it can go down, I don't care, okay? I'm not looking. For me, the trade was today. I don't have a clue what the hell is going to happen next. If they are going to break below 222, then can get ugly, okay? Below 222, we will be looking for 216, 217, this area here where they bought, and but needs below 222. Otherwise, they can play here the range, so I'm not willing to take the risk. The trade for me was this one, and very, very beautiful, okay? So the second one, and that I got basically on the cubes, okay, I got puts. And why the hell did I got puts? First, cubes opened at new all-time highs, okay? After the market opened, what we saw, bearish candle, first candle very bearish. We saw Apple fading, we saw Facebook fading, we saw lots of names, we saw CAT fading, we saw SPY, small caps, every single name was fading. For me it was pretty much simple. The market is on the sell side, the algos are programmed to sell it. So I'm going to jump into the puts. And it gave plenty of time, okay? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, gave almost more than 15 minutes here, gave more than 15 minutes to jump into those puts. Those puts stayed pretty much flat during these 15 minutes, okay? First 15 minutes gave plenty of time to load on the puts. And after that, what we saw, boom, makes new lows on the day, starts filling the gap, okay? So the first target, filled the gap, opens with a gap up above yesterday highs, filling the gap. Second target, 8-day moving average, okay, 339, and it hit 339 perfectly. So, I closed the position, okay, simple. Ride the momentum, goes from one level to the other, start taking profits on the way. On the move down, you take profits. You buy low, sell when the move is going on your direction. You start trimming little by little, one contract, another contract, another contract, and until it hits the target, and you leave 1-2 contracts, okay, if you want. Otherwise, you close everything. That's exactly what I did. I closed everything when it hit the 8-day moving average, so I'm a happy camper there. It got even lower, okay, and that move I was not expecting. Okay, this move I was not expecting. Okay, I saw here a double bottom intraday in the first 10:30 a.m. saw a double bottom, saw here a higher low. So I was not expecting this one, but I didn't have any position, okay? When I saw this one, I said, okay, they are really trying to shake out the tree, okay? They are pushing, always are pushing down, they are running stops lower, and that's exactly what they did. Push down, push back above, okay? And one of the things that I said on the private channel, they are covering on the lows, and we have a possible short squeeze rally up, and that's exactly what it happened. Why did I say that? Because they pushed it back and didn't give follow through, and my next target was around on the cubes 335, 334, okay, and they stopped here at the lows of the day around 337 and pushed back above and start making higher highs, higher lows. So the logic would be a short covering rally, because bears got trapped here on this false breakdown. Okay, you have false breakouts higher, and we on the cubes intraday we had a false breakdown, trapping the shorts here. And right now at $340 we are 30 seconds into the market to close, and shorts are trapped. Okay, what is going to happen? We are going to have Amazon earnings. If they announce finally the split, okay, finally Amazon will skyrocket, the cubes will skyrocket up, okay, and the shorts will have to cover after hours, and it will be massive. Otherwise, if those that got long here on this recover, if they held a position for too long, if the Amazon disappoints and does not gives the final the reverse split, then the split, then the stock market can and the tech names can fall apart. Okay, so no clue. I don't like to flip coins. Okay, so that's why I'm staying cash overnight, because I want to be mentally prepared for the next day and be prepared if the market opens up. I will build the trading plan, and that's exactly what I did. Today it gone very, very well, okay? I'm very proud the way we manage and the way we ride the momentum here on the market today. So congratulations everyone. So the market is closed, okay? And let's see how the SPY closed. Basically, it was kind of funny. I didn't got any puts on SPY, but it was kind of funny. Reversal sell here from after making new all-time highs, start filling the gap, fill the gap, push into the 8-day moving average almost to the penny. 416.72. 416 is the big level. Okay, you can find the levels not only on the charts, okay, but also on options. Okay, you go look into the options, options chain, and you will see that 416 is a big level there. Okay, so it acted very, very well and bounced from there. That's when I saw that the SPY bounced. They start covering the positions, and I was looking some of the names that they were recovering, and said we can have a short recovery rally, and that's exactly what happened. I didn't got any call here on the SPY or something like that, because I don't like to overtrade. I got some shares on Space. Okay, I got some shares on Space. They actually worked very well. Okay, I got shares here. Okay, I got shares here when I was seeing here a low on the day. higher low. I got shares here at 22.25, okay, and push back above. It gone very well on this fade here. I basically, my stop was it pretty much flat, okay, and immediately got back up, recovering, and boom, more than 1 million shares here traded, okay, on some news that came out and pushed the stock up. Still below the 8-day moving average, okay, a bit disappointment here. I was looking for a move back above 23. The level to break is 24, okay, pushing the chart. Increasing the chart. The level to break is above 24. It can go into 25. We have 25.5, and above that we have a gap to fill at 26, but needs to hold 22. Okay, holding 22, and that was the logical pull back. Goes back up 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Pull back. Goes back into 22, some accumulation here around $22. If it holds 22, that was the level. Holding 22 makes a higher low, so I'm go long. Okay, was looking for recovering on the 8-day moving average. Did not happen. So needs some more patience. Let's see if it's able to break 24. If it breaks below 22, when I'll be looking into the 20s and looking for a possible double bottom here at 20s and look for a possible reversal bounce back up. Okay. What I get more, I got Gamestop and basically got on this move here, on this spike on volume, okay. Got in when I saw that the price was getting rejected, got out, okay. Didn't hold the position. This is a wild horse, so I didn't hold the position. It actually gone very nice, all the way into $180. So this is a wild horse, in my opinion. The stock for now it's coiling, okay. Break above the downtrend resistance line, goes back up, pull back. Yesterday perfect retest on the 8-day moving average and on the support line today. Kind of inside day. So next trigger needs above, in my opinion, above 188 for a move into $200 area. Okay, so keep it on your watch. Amazon, let's see Amazon. Boom! What a big move, my friends. Did they announce the damn split on the stock? Let's see here. Let's put here the boom. Big move. Okay, big move, huge move here. Big move. Very happy, very happy for that. So before the earnings, okay, before the earnings, okay, I gave something. Okay, I gave something. I have here what I said. First, I said calls, unusual options activity on those calls, 3400. Okay. Second, this was on Monday. Okay. Stock pop on volume. What I gave. If you want to risk into earnings, okay, vertical call spread 3500, 3550. Or 3500, 3600 can be good lotos. What we have right now. Those call spreads are in the money with the price above 3600. Okay? So beautiful lottery ticket. Okay? You know that I don't trade on earnings. I don't gamble. Okay? I see earnings like a casino. You go to the casino, you put some coins. Sometimes you do well, sometimes you don't. On this one, we had here some bullish signals. Okay, something very similar to Facebook. If you look for the charts on Amazon and on Facebook, very similar. Okay. What we see that it's riding the momentum, stall here. Okay. Pullback, makes here holding above 3300. This week recovers the 8-day moving average. Okay, on this day when it recovers the 8-day moving average is when I said that you could have got long. Okay, and riding the momentum up. Okay, above, making new highs here above 3500 today. So right now at 3600. Okay, so it pretty much bullish. Now what? No clue. Okay, no clue what the hell is going to happen. That's why I don't have any clue, and no one has a clue what the hell is going to happen. But if you got those lottery tickets, congratulations, you are right now in the money. You could, for example, you could sell stock against and exercise those, close those calls after hours, or you can wait until tomorrow for the market open and see if those calls, if the stock is above 3600 tomorrow, then you kept your profits here. It was basically 3500, 3550. That was the first one. The second one 3500, 3600. So while the stock above 3600, you keep full profits here, $50, okay, $50 here on this one, and $100 on the next vertical spread. Okay, so congratulations everyone. So the video is getting too much extended. Okay, and before that I would like to share a little bit one more trade that I gave today during the day. It was on Uber. Okay, let's remove here the extended hours. Okay, it was on Uber. I gave puts on Uber. I didn't have any clue. What the hell is going to happen, and that some news would come. Okay, what did I saw? I saw that yesterday bullish reversal candle here on Uber. Today goes back above, makes new highs at 59.22 and starts fading. Makes here a lower high and starts fading. What I saw, bearish reversal candle potential, goes back below 58.5. This is a bearish reversal signal. So you sell short with the stop at the highs of the day. And that's exactly what I gave. On the private channel, gave puts 58.5 for a move down. All the way from 70 cents. These puts were at 70 cents. Puts 58.5, okay. And they closed at the end of the day, 58.5, 3.5. So basically, if you put, for example, 10 contracts is a $700 bet. At the end of the day, you have 3,500. And that was not on the lows. On the lows, those puts gone for $5. Okay. So congratulations, everyone. What was the rationale? It was market was falling apart, basically. Okay, the stock push above, no follow through. Okay, starts fading. So you short first target the 8 moving average, and it worked very well. Take profits on the 8 moving average. You can hold some. After that, what you see? Big candle here, breaking below the 8 moving average. Here you can reload the shorts, looking for the next level. Gone way below my targets. Okay, the first target would be around 54. Here 54. Okay, it gone even lower, 53.1. And you take profits. Okay, on the big moves down, you take profits. So congratulations everyone that got into the trade. Okay, so right now making a quick review. Small caps pull back into the support line. Stopped exactly where it should at the support line here. Small caps this week break above the resistance line. They're right now acting as support. I will be bullish while the stock above 226. I will be only extremely bearish if it breaks below 226. It will be very bearish on a false breakout, and we can roll over and fall apart. Otherwise, if we hold 226, we can spend some time here. But for now, what we have a false breakout. Goes, tries to break above $230 and goes back below. So right now, choppy mess right here. Manage your risk very carefully. Looking for the cubes, what we have, $340 right now after hours. Staying bullish while above 339. If it goes above 342, watch out, big short squeeze. Otherwise, bearish below 339. We have today lows of today 336. We have the next logical support at 334, 335. Okay, so with this said, the video is getting too much extended. 30 minutes. I'm very tired. The week was insane. Okay, so I'm very tired. I'm going to turn off the screens. The market will be here tomorrow, next week. We finished the mount with a big mount. It was not easy, not easy at all. Okay, big fight between bulls and bears. It was not easy, but we have been able to generate very nice cash flow. If you like to swing long trade, okay, it's very difficult to swing long trade. Lots of stops on the way. But in some cases it worked very well. I gave this week XLE some swing long calls into next week. They worked very well on these moves 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 5 you sell. Okay, actually yesterday I said start taking the hell out of the profits on the way up. But even if you held some, okay, on these kind of moves 1, 2, 3, 4, on day 5 you sell it. Okay, and that's exactly what they did. They sold it. Now what? Let's wait. Okay, no, after this it's normal to have a pullback, $50 or even $49. It's possible. Okay, but on these kind of moves, you take the profits and go back into the cash and look for new setups. That's the kind of action that I try to do. Okay, with this said, thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great evening. Stay safe. See you all later. Bye bye everyone.